Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b divided by b plus b plus b plus b is equals to 16, and we solve this problem for all the values of b. So here first you focus in the numerator side, and you see here this b is multiplied by 4 times and the exponent of all these terms is 1. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So you see here the bases on all of these terms are same, so we add its exponent according to this rule. We write the above equation as b to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and it is divided by, here you see that b is added by 4 times, and when we take common b from here we get the remaining values are 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 16. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we obtain this will becomes b to the power of 4 divided by, this is 1 is added by 4 times, becomes here 4 times of b is equals to 16. And now you see here this b is cancelled out by this b, and we get the remaining values are b cubed divided by 4 is equals to 16. And in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we just move 4 to the right hand side, and it will be written as b cubed is equals to 4 times of 16 is equals to 64. And now we move this 64 to the left hand side, and it will becomes b cubed minus 64, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And again we rewrite this equation as, this is b cubed minus this is 64, and we write it as 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to use here the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square minus plus xy plus y square. So this is our cubic formula, and here we substitute the values of x and y into the x and y into this formula, and we easily get the simplification form of the above equation. So we write it as, this is b minus 4 times of b square plus b times of 4 plus 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write b minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write b square plus 4b plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and we get the value of b is equals to plus 4. And now for other roots of the given equation we need to solve this quadratic equation. We know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we apply the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation, and for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, capital B is equals to 4, and capital C is equals to 16. Then we state the quadratic formula as small b is equals to minus capital B plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of AC divided by 2 times of A. So this is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it will be written as b equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of, this is b square, the value of b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. Here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as minus 4 plus minus. This is 4 square, and we know about that 4 square becomes 16 minus. This is 4 multiplied by 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step, we need to take common 16 inside the square root sign, and after taking common 16 we get the remaining values are square root of 16 times of 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further, we need more simplifications to get our required answer, and we have b is equals to minus 4 plus minus. Here we apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes square root of 16 into here we apply square root of 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we have b is equals to minus 4 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 16 becomes here 4. And here you see that when negative sign appears inside the square root, it will becomes here iota. And here we break this fraction and we write this 2 separately on both of these two values. So you see here this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we obtain b is equals to minus 2 plus minus. This is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So we obtain there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and b is equals to 4, be the one real root of the given equation. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.